Khuborjylla pi baro asya ki thup khubor ka donbosco media network kimat bakong san menta ka singi kilong tuat ki samla asya ka limpung yakob kinjut mauser jong ka AFC Rakhi International Youth Day ke Leon Institute Nongpo ban kit rin yang ya ukanyang HIV kam de ka basuk ong kong amprin lingdo but panjing ada baklan umentri rangba na umentri ki kampo ye but tu menta nyine pai shiki khubor ki babnya kajaka hikai kinjut mauser ka Anastasius Fitness Center AFC hakashi pauterik Nailar kala penlong ya ka jingya kop kinjut but ra mauser weightlifting na ka benta ki khenna ret ki bahapo khat ars nem karta ki Samla kin thei bat chinrang kat kum ki bormet bat ka jingkya ka met ka pat hadon Bosco Youth Center lajamkra nadu ka por prabaje tam min step ka don Bosco Youth Center kaladap bat shlei mom da ki Samla kin thei bat chinrang ki blawan banishimenta hakani ka jingya kop pin i jingklan ban kinjut mauser kini ka jingya kop kalane hadu ka por prabaji minmit habanadap ban sam yaki biscuit shakinong job hakikirdan baper uba John Khashiying u president jong ka Meghalaya Olympic Association ulalong ukongsan ban aimen sim bat ban pinslur yaki khenna rit ki thei bat ki rang heksa ki bala seilut yaka buit ka bor ban pin i perthei yala ka jingklan jong ki ban kinjut mauser hakani kisngi kinong bishar batibet ki bakin thup ya uba Anastasius Rindong sngi Usandip Sharma bat uba John J Marbanyang kila bishar sani bhaya iwe pa iwe inong ishimenta kanang bakarai kan long kabahok kababet bat kabadan buram uba Jerry Lingdo ulayo ya kanam best lifter na kishinrang bat kalarisha moment kalayo ya kanam best women deadlift bat ya uba sa ringkat marbo ulayo ya kanam best weightlifter na kishinrang kat ba ka isa larika lapang kalayo ya kani kanam nakalyang kikinthei Peit ikinong job baro hakani kisngi la pendeng da ki medal ksiar rupa bat renong halaki jongki thup bat kikirdan yakob hakani kisngi hakajingkren penwai hakani kalimpung yakob kinjut mauser uba John Khashiying ulaya ro yaki mati jongka AFC kabalala ban penslur yaki khenna ret ki Samla shinrang bat kinthei bantur shakani kalimpung kilanmet khalam da pensarwa e yala kapor hakajing em jongki ulakin turu ya iwe pa iwe inong ishimbenta banbu yakathong banpoi shakalar jongka nam hakilimpung jongkari India bat kumjuru shakiwe pat kiri jongka perthei kani ka jing aimen siam kalapin rehem ru yaki jing mut jing perkhat jongki Samla hakani kalimpung
down left go left go left come on pull down go left nice go left nice Mitchell steady okay good left down go left ki wait ki para ano ki wait para pulai but connect pulai kita kena ngomong dah left ma alright come on go left
let's give a big clap to them. So, India today has now 6 medals at the Olympics, 1 silver and 5 bronze. So we hope that in the future Olympics we'll be able to get more medals. Today we'll have we've seen weightlifting, powerlifting, and we see so much talent, so much effort by athletes. state government is doing all its best to support the state associations, to support the athletes. We are very happy now we have cash awards for medal winners. We have also scholarships for medal winners. So I will bless all the schools, the athletes to read through the sports policy because there are a lot of incentives to be.
KL Ion Institute Nongpo hakakat artarik Nailar kalapan long ya ka program yak rakhi bakirpang yakisngi ki Samla ka belatip kom ke International Youth Day arajar arpusaw ha District Library Nongpo. Hakani kasngi KL Ion Institute kalapan long ru yaki program ba repair ki bakan thop na do ka debate competition ka poetry recitation hakabalawan benishim benta daki khenna na ki school ka than Nongpo. Balhakan ni kasngi lapan long ru ya ka panel discussion halor ka phang ka jingma na ka shongkha khana lani ka teenage pregnancy. Hakani ka limpung la aimin siem da ka jingdan lang jong uba mineral bonds iem u MLA kumjuru Reverend Precious Timong ka kong iban kintio mauri iwe ni kinong tho Khubor Samla toning lapang bat kiwe ki reurang ba. Nakalyang jong ke Ion Institute kum ka jing penslor yaki Samla ki bala job hagi jing yakop kala sam de ki khusnam ringkat ki sonot shabaro kinang shimbenta.
Is Nanda Kishore. Everyone has an ambition to get desired occupation. The only path is education that leads to our destination.
In the hand of his young heart of gold, with minds of India's youth so vibrant and so strong, with dreams and aspirations that can be wrong.
A journey woven through the life we hold, in every smile, in every tear we share, a bond is formed, so strong, so rare. We find in others pieces of soul, in kindness, in warmth, in making others whole. The love we give, the love we share, grows in return beyond what we plan.
Kita mengingat orang begini tahu jong mereka teenage pregnancy.
Parang long MLA harasin na parang kong ngayolat ban visit ya kawi ke school apo constituency haba ngayo banyakran mahabat u headmaster ng school ikili pang enrollment jadi kena smart bat kali kung sino may kama kari kamaran na jadi bat kali ya kitidon jadi kena lagi lower primary anumot lagi upper primary and secondary. But ila ong yang haba ada kelas 9 harus tangga SNEM dan arhongun haba good ke SNEM ki enrollment yang dikena sa stangkan lemon.
Ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Max hakakat atrik Nailar kalapli ya ke International Youth Day da ka papanlong ya ka jinghikay bat kumjuru ka jing pensyai pat ba da ka Intensified Information Education Communication IEC campaign arhajar arpusaw kabalalong ha usoso tham auditorium Shillong. Hakani kasi lapli perda ya ka Intensified IEC campaign arhajar arpusaw da ka menteri ka kya ka Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo haringkat ka jingadan ki dukhat ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ki opisar na katanat ka kya ki kenna school ki nong hikay bat ki riu pau khamat ki bala sha khot ngobha ha ka jingkren kum ka kongsan ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo kalaong ban im bat ban kitren yang yaw khnang jingpang HIV AIDS kalong ka bae bat ka bakodet hadu kata-kata Henry, ka sarkar kala ay ya ki jingirap kat bala ya ki tu ki bre ki bala yo ya kani ka jingpang HIV AIDS. Ka kong amprin kala ken turu ya ki Samla bakin pinpriang ya ki Khubor shaki wepat ya ka jingkodet habayo ya kani ka jingpang HIV AIDS. Lakatta ki don gilat kilinti jing sumar bat jingeda ya kani ka jingpang bat kumjuru bante lakam ya ka jingprang priang uniu khnang jingpang hake emlang ka salam. Ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo kalaweriya baro akipat ba banwan syakmat ban tes yalade kanang ban tip syai laki dan em yaw niu kanyang jingpang. Ka kong Amprin kalaken turu ya ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society bakan wat ya kibrio kibran ya kani ka jingpang HIV AIDS kanang ban la ban ai jing sumari ki bat kumjuru ban te alakam ya ka jing sapriang syakiway pat.
kami dakabangi sensitize yaki health and caregivers. Haki cakap bersumar bapir jumi. IDHS bat kikin jung EP day ban ke kapaduna haki si health centers ki bak pentet sajnai ya kumkini ki nong nong bat wanlam shu ki jingma nagadunta ka imlang sabang hakajing long nong jung ke Jylla hanga haki skor jong aru lala dainya ngamdai kanong yalam jong kali ya kajing ya tu kana kumno kibayo ya ke HIV AIDS tengkhat tang manlek manwat ya ke sumar ke sukir ka bedai ka hok jong kiru jaka ai sumar ki jong ni teng ki ketan ki ni dei ban pensenge kata but lada don kino ki healthcare providers haka system ke jong ni ki bang gloi mangera dei ban shim action ki nama lada ki nurse, ki doktor, ki nong ay sumang dana dito kin kroy gan kren toy lele kwat ba uba sunget ya kaham saya basa pengop kumboong ikadenes ki dakan ki nong di drugs kini kita di dalam kami di nyarap kudungi bat mau pikikon kita dalam school Peit baka generation next ng Khuborjylla ka dun kanong longkota. Kanong day Jylla ka ba buokot bat kabangkloy banyaram. Kabalong judgment. Kata ka ba nga snowsi ta. Babon na lang yung ngimkwa ng snap. Ngimkwa ang kana, bat ngimkwa ang kana. Idok to the cruise, katim jong fi kam day tang bansutunyari.
Menteri Rangba Ukonrat ke Sangma ringkat usembut Menteri Rangba uba Preston Tinsong hakakat artrik Nailar kelaya kendu ya Menteri ki kampok yang keri India u Amit Shah banyakran nakabenta kesuk kesengan jong ke Jylla Meghalaya. Hadian balak kelang ki jingeki ha Bangladesh. Keri kebadan hasinda ke Jylla Meghalaya. Nakalyang jong ke sarkar India kalapendan kam yekilat jingida yeki kaput Bangladesh da kabapan kan shushu ya ka jingpet ngor da ki pertan pulit ya da kaput Border Security Force lane ki BSF marya kalang hi ki jingeki ha Bangladesh kabalapan kalam ya ka sarkar bat kumjuru ya ka menteri ka Bangladesh ka Sheikh Hasina kabalawan Peit ru Shari India.
Today the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself had a review meeting along with the Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah ji, to review the overall situation at the border area, keeping in mind the current situation that the country of Bangladesh is going through. In the review meeting, we have briefed the Honorable Home Minister that there was good work that is going on by the BSF and the army, and very strict monitoring is being done currently by these two forces, and at the same time the Meghalaya police also is on high alert. We also informed him that we have put night curfew all along the international border to further strengthen the overall security scenario in the border zone. We reiterated to the Honorable Home Minister that we should not allow at this point in time any individuals to cross the border, as the matter is very, very sensitive, and in detail discussions were done on that matter, and the Home Minister has further stated in the meeting that the Government of India is not going to allow any individual to cross over, and all the measures are being taken to ensure that the border is securely guarded so that no movement takes place across the border. Apart from that, we have also urged the Government of India through the Honourable Home Minister that if necessary, more manpower can be provided along the border areas so that the security can be reinforced. And to that, the Honourable Home Minister said he will examine the scenario and the situation and take necessary actions if necessary.
Artli kiseng bhalang na Southwest Khasi Hills kahinyo trap Youth Council HYC bat kumjoru kahinyo trap Integrated Territorial Organization HITO hakajingalam jong Samla pins kem karjarin u General Secretary ke HYC hadien bakaseng kalakerpat ya Deputy Commissioner jong kani ke district hakahenre trik Nailar ban penklan ya ki bor pahara bat kumjoru ban Peit perman ya ka jingrung jingmi jong ki na Bangladesh kilalet jingoru ya ki Shillong Khubor na du borsara balat ranikor bat nongjri hakani kesngi kilai kenduru ya ki borsen Shillong ki patba bat yo area commandant ke BSF ki badan hakani ke thain Khubor bat kentu ki banlong ki bapet ngor kenang ba ke emlang salang kenlong ke besuk bat ke basingan
si baladan ke mata kan dapan slam ba ni kong koseng HYC ru na pa sawo sering la bo ya jing tha hakmat Deputy Commissioner bong penjur ya kacing ya kilat jeng penada sini bat kunjuru ya kilat Peit perman ka pede to kacing rumah dia po kan bordat sementang lawan lagi khmat ban cuma ya kacing rumah bang lai kelur bor senong bor tau nadu girang bak senong kisketri senong di bahak ni Khuborjylla ya kabang ya kaban ya peliu jemut kacing long jema hani tenang kali ring lap bamta ka pede bat kini ki jinglong jema ne po bordar ni lai yo mengkren ru BSF ka bagi ka Khubor kabang yo ni ki kalong bahaduk mentah kimpat senal ladon kabakum kata kabak ong bakin ladon kita kibri ke bana sebar ke banwan kentur sudah ukut sam jongka ribi jungi tah nakaleng jongka sinong ka thauru hang ni apa Khuborjylla ila ai ka cing trilang ber BSF ya kaba ila ai ru ka cing trilang ber kibor kulit bahani apa Khuborjylla banang ni sakmar jensa nang ile ya kata ka mentah ya kaban namta kacing bahajing miat ban namta kacing long jing skan jong ki senong ki thang ne po Khubor te kumbang yong ba nakleng jungi ni dak mensim kacing sukha ni ka Khubor sa ka sarkar kolong ba nang ni sakmat ni nang yai dawa ban ni nang yai tentu ba kanong ka ba pikir namta kacing long jingman namta ka singan jong ki nong song senong ane po Khubor bordar balkloy ya kapan ai ti kaman ti kadang nam tak para senong para thau pan nak taki nongelam senong nongelang thau hakini ki Khubor bordar te kawai ke Khubor kawang pap nong sa ki tu ki Khuborjylla ki pari kantam ki bana Bangladesh kelong ba oi ngilawan hakini Khubor entar ke sukya kamen sim bat ladang yo kanu Khubor kabam sengotanat na ki nong song senong nong song thau ki ba hani Khubor bordar ilong ki balakloy ban wan biang sa sien pat banai ti kamon ti kadang nam ta ki
Dakamen sim jong ka jing sngo it bat jing sngo sarong kinong hikai bat ki khenna school connectivity high school mau kerwat kilaket bok kit reng ya ka Samla bandri hun lingdo ka balong ru ka khenna school barim ka banlet ban mi khmat yakari India bat ya ka Jylla Meghalaya shakalimpung yakop kerwat kiti ka balatip kum ka wall arm wrestling championship ahjar apisau ka ban salong Moldova Eastern Europe bat balapen ya ru da ka Moldovan National Sports Federation of arm wrestling nadu ka khat santarik hadu ka arpu santarik Nailar da ka jingno sinyang bailenti yakani ka Samla kino hikai ki khenna school barim bat kumjuru ki khenna school ki badang puli hakani ka school kila sing it jala ki baireneng ban penno abha yaki jinglut jingsap jongkani ka Samla haka jingya lenti jongka shakani ka limpung ba jongka perthai haka khat artarik Nailar bat kumjuru kilakir khukir do bat duai nakabenta ka bandrihun bakan wan phai ringkat ka namla du nakani kalimpong Reverend Padar Alphonsus Walang ubalong principal ke Nativity High Secondary School bat uba ken pam karling do uwe na ki kena school barim ringkat bat ki kena school kila ai men siemru ya ka Samla ban rihun lingdo ban yakun bat bakan yele klembrit persha ai ki thei satar jagi we pat kiri kila ken pam ru eka bakan klet lut ya ki jing e bat bakan shania ha ka jing rap jong ublei bat kum ju ru ha ka mon bajot ban ra ya ka thong la adu NAKA ni ka jing ya ko ban yo ra ru ya ka jing ang nut ka badan ha ka men siam jong ka Samla ban ri hun ling do kala pen pau ru ya ka jing sngongu bat kala ai kublei kirpang ya baro ki kena school ki riu rang ba ki bla pen no asbun bat ki bla senyang ha ka ni ka jing ya lim ti jong ka shakani ka lempung bat kum juru kelas ngongu hagabe yake kintian ker khu do jongki nakabenta kani ke jingthumu ba jongka.
Keep yourself, as Don Bosco said, keep busy and cheerful. So keep yourself busy in your study, in your work, in everything that you do, and in sport also, because sport also is one of the parts that there's a chance for you, that a job is there for you. So you can earn your living also through the sports. So this what Ms. Marina has given us an example. She has trained by herself and do by herself without much training from the expert, yet she has come up to this line. So it is an encouragement for you and me, for all of us, that if we are serious in our studies, we are serious in our sports, anything that you do naturally will come up in life. So once again, thank you very much to the...
Of course, like Sir Dennis has mentioned, that we are here because of Miss Banrihun Lingdo, who will go to Europe to participate in the International Arm Wrestling Championship in Moldova, if I'm not mistaken. So this is a great, and we are very proud as past people of Nativity Higher Secondary School. We are here, we are proud, and we wish that the school will, from time to time, will create more leaders, will create more excellent students, and we hope that in the future this school will shine like our SDSU or DSU of district has said. So I would like to wish Banrihun on
Halor ka kenrom kablami ha ka jingle rat jubor kinong tre ka KHADC na Nailar bit ya ki jingthung jingtap jong ki kat tu kat ningut kinong song shnong ka omlado ri Bhoi district ha ka sngi jong khat atre Nailar ki bor ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC ha ka jingalam jong ka kong Magdalene S Maulong ka balong ru ka executive member in charge forest uba balajit rani UMDC kanong po constituency ki officer uba Special Silyang lingdo rat so kwai kila hiar shashnong umnado ban penbet ya kita ki kenram bat nakani ka jingle donbor bat thombor kinong tre ka KHADC na lailat bit lami ru ki jingkenno ki jingpenrem bat ki jingkren persha ya kinong tre ka council ki badan halailat bit ki bala prat bat mat naphang ya ki jingthung jingtap jong kinong rap kashnong umnado hakani kasngi la yo ru ban penlong ya ka jingelang baladan lang uba awet singkli urang ba ashnong umnado bat ki pat ba ki baladan ru ka jingen ya ka bashipor kilong yeng ki bala sha penjulor ki jingthung jingtap kila dawaru ya ka bailot san na ka KHADC hakabay day pat bat ka jaka ka puta nakalyang ka kong Magdalene S Maulong ringkat ki officer kila pen ya ka sakhi lingba ki kot kisla bat kumjuru ki dulir ki jaka ba ki nong rap ki pindan kam kadai jong ka district council na du kisnam ahjar saw ahjar san bat kumjuru house nem ahjar henriu lapen mi ya ka jingmana bandum rap shu hakini ki jaka hapo uput usam jong ka ni ki jaka jong ka district council
iba balajib di lingdo right secretary right CFO but in charge jong ka riboy ba machuel o iba ka compare karsati hani ka sngi ngilawan banyu kjat posnong lado kumba klayo ka khubor ka balami leng ba kilat thai khubor but nakaliang ke jong ka snong ba nakaliang ke jong ka department nilayo ban yeshong ban yapen ben ba nakaliang ke jong iru kumba pitem kabor bat ke ikhtiar jong ka district council kalong banyada ya uput yu usam bat kham tam lilai ngidon ya ka plantation ke jongi hangni hapo lailan te ngakerpat ru na ka benta kinong shong shnong nang ne shakmat tada kidon kanunu ke jing thmu ha ka baki kwa ban rep ban riang lani ke jing thmu ka babaha ke jong kiru ngakerpat iki bikin wan ha kalenti ke badai kalenti ke ba ni dei bengin yakren lingba kita kinu lingba kita kijing kerpat ke jong kiru bikidan kami kanunu ke jaka namar ngis ngothu shay namar ba kum kini ki situation mo ke ika kamram ga jongi ga dong banyadai ka property hi jong ka district council yu put yu sam teng teng ka khubor ba mi shabar kan lok da kungwe mo kindon gi ba kenno ban kentho kin ong ba ngilade ngilalilam ki jaka ki putah dei ngi kwa ban ong phi ba ka kamram ga jongi kalong banyada na ka benta ki jaka ki putai ka jing don ka jing em jong ka council hiru bat na ka jing shim khia jong i local MDC ngila lek mi ngila kendu hiru inong shong shnong hadu i secretary shnong ngila ya don rang du i rang ba shnong bat ban pen shisha na ka benta ka jaka ka ba laja pat ha tu ka sngi am tau pot usam bat ngangit scam hiru ba kum ka council ngidon hang di banya trelang ban wara ka jing bha kham tam aka bayadai ba ka jing pen bet pot usam kaba kalong shisha kwe na kamat ba ka issue kaba ni kisngi ni juya kren bengi juya thir na kapor bat na kaliang ka jonga kum ka EM ru ngala shem ya ka jingkit khle bangan ya kren hiru ya UCEM haringkat bat ka
office jong ka district legal services authority east khas hills district haka khat artrek Nailar kala penlong ya ka jingelang bat pin sngoth ban hi kai pat ba na ka benta ki brio ki basha ban ben ki bawan ne kilong yeng ki baduna ka jingyo balatip kum ka legal awareness program on access to legal aid to victims bat ka jingthmu jong ka ni ka awareness program kalong ban emerging happening ki doctor ki nurse kinong tray asha bat kum juru ki aganwadi ki badan benta hak imlang sa alang kum ka compensation scheme ni ka jing ai jing rap by sumar bat by dawai ni ki bamkot bor hakani ka awareness program unong ya saat an balarang ba uba VGK kenta ula ai ki jing batay bat jing penshai shaki pai ba ki balawan hakalimpung jing yalang Shillong Law College uba kenta ula batay bat penshai ru halo laitili kimat ki bakin thup nadu ka Meghalaya scheme arjar arpo kabay day bat kabaylot san ka jing sio baylot san nakalang unong banben sha unong sha banben
compensation the crime must be one in which the victim sustained mental or bodily injury or dies. Report and emphasize that the crime must be one in which the victim sustained mental or bodily injury or dies. Dalam kamlong hata kadur si pinong eligible ban one chapa district legal services authority ban one compensation. Future ani ka scheme ka ang the death or permanent incapacitation of the victim. Death bigla sufobi ka di no walang permanent. Hindi permanent incapacitation kabamot kablatkot ka kajat na latkot ka tina mamla na kaluno ka daga jingdu fragment yung in which the victim sustained mental or bodily injuries or dies. Kata kali ka criteria kali bandang kata ka sawa ka government or part kajing kut kajat ani kajing narkitya ke acid katu kajing disfiguration manlay to plastic surgery kajing lot kajing mahe ka de min hakani kala dan ka case kala ni la ai nagalang district legal services authority ka ai compensation namar kata ka breu ka dei ko homeless la shakpa shake acid block de kali one unique case kama ran sham ba la ai ke compensation income Nailar nantang ina increase shoot nama kata treatment ko baki kalong kahe sebab pada de nemte ke compensation of court ndai ka khubor ka bangayo kalong ba Kalau yung ulok na jong kumlo kani ay sakit, kung siya set kutok si Jim, bali si Shillong. Well, it's a very peculiar situation. Maki cases of domestic violence, kalau banja bakalok, le kalau kapom na kawai ulok. Utau ulok berkibahaya nasem jong ulu kira banlei banpan compensation. Kalau kusai kalau hapoi kesini.
Kitu mentan kilong ki Khubor ki bawan Shipina ka Don Bosco Media Network.